This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Dubb mobile app. Step 1 is to install the Dubb mobile app from the App Store or the Play Store. Once it's installed, you'll see an icon appear on your mobile device. Then you're going to want to either sign up or log in to the Dubb app. The second thing is you'll want to see the Whiteboard feature. Now, the Whiteboard feature is a simple way to add personalization text to webcam videos. So this doesn't record anything on your device here, rather it provides a visual display so that you can record a video on your webcam. And this is useful on the Dubb Chrome extension or the Dubb desktop app so that you can include the person's name. So I'm going to go ahead and include a name here. And then that text will appear. Now when I flip the phone sideways, it's going to allow me to go full screen with that text. And then of course I can get that right in front of my webcam, either my external webcam or my mobile or my desktop webcam, and then that's going to give that personalization text. So there's a couple of options here in terms of text size and color. Those work pretty well. So the next feature is the direct upload. By clicking the plus button, you can upload a video directly from your library, or you can record it natively on your mobile device. This is valuable when you have a video that's already on your phone and you don't need to use the proprietary Dubb camera. If you want something that uploads very quickly, this is the best solution. This works for 9:16 videos and 16:9 videos. The last option here is the Dubb camera. The Dubb camera is a simple way to create dynamic videos with multiple clips, music, filters, emojis, text, and much more. So if you open up the camera, default open up to the camera. And this is the back-facing camera here. And what I can do is I can record a very quick clip here. Now there's two options when you record. If you notice on the bottom left, with the lock, right now it's locked, which means that when I tap the trigger, it's going to automatically start to record. If I unlock that, I'm going to have to hold the trigger down with my finger, so with my thumb in this case. And this is just more like Instagram stories or Snapchat, where it just makes it, you get a little bit more control when you're recording, okay? On the left, you're going to notice the library button, and this will allow you to add imported clips from your phone. So as you notice, you can start to build these dynamic videos with multiple clips. This button to the right of the trigger with the lightning bolt, that's a flash. You can turn that on, you can turn that off. This button here with the 9:16, this is going to allow you to change, with the cogwheel, this is going to allow you to change the aspect ratio and then also the video resolution. So we recommend 9:16 or 16:9 for aspect ratio. Square does take a little bit more time. And then in terms of video resolution, we pretty much always use the fast option. We feel like if people are looking at this on a mobile device, the resolution doesn't need to be that high. It does take a lot longer to produce and to process the higher resolution. So just something to keep in mind here. Once you've created your multiple clips, you can, here, let's create a Oh, now the videos do have to be more than 1 second, so that failed. Let's try it again. Hey guys, it's Ruben from Dubb. And then once I've created this, now is I can click the checkbox, and then this is the preview option here, where I can just make sure that I like this. If you hold one of the clips down, you can either play it or you can edit it. So clip editing is a dynamic thing. If it's less than 10 seconds, you can add text or emojis. You can also add filters here, and you can trim it. So trimming does require a little bit of processing, but you can kind of get a nice granular cut and kind of remove some of the stuff that's a little bit unnecessary. So that works pretty well. You can also add music. Now, a lot of these features, specifically the music and the filters, those are part of the Dubb Pro Pack. So you might see an option to subscribe to that on a monthly basis. So please look for that. And if you're not interested, you can just ignore that. Now, once you have your multiple clips here, you're going to want to click the white checkbox on the top right. And then here's another option to add editing to the entire clip. So in this case, you have trimming and you have filters and you have music. And then here you'll notice the check mark is a little bit different. It's blue. So, and also to the left of that, you have a download option. So that download option is going to allow you to download the video directly to your phone. So if you'd like to use this on social channels, or if you'd like to use it in a different capacity, you can do so. And then what you do is click the blue check button, and then this is going to upload your video directly to your Dubb account. Now you will notice this within the Dubb dashboard within seconds or minutes. So it happens very quickly, but it does require this sometimes processing time, which is the merging of clips, and then second is the uploading. So here it is kind of doing its final processing. And then you'll notice once this is complete, this will appear on the Dubb mobile app and the Dubb dashboard. Now you will have a couple of options here to add some customization. So title, description, your calls to action, and then some switches, add emoji buttons, sharing and automation. If you intend to use this for an email campaign, you're going to want to click on that. Now, if you do use this for email campaigns, we do recommend that you use the 16:9 format because that's just going to be a little bit more optimized for email. Allow download, that's going to allow your end users to download this video. And then, of course, in the spirit of staying organized, you can save your tags. Now, once that's done, make sure to click the white check mark on the top, and then voila, you have your video. So here you can get a final preview of it. And then you'll notice you have sharing options. You can click on the paper plane icon here, and then that's going to allow you to text it, to send it on social channels. If you want to use the famous copy for email option within Dubb, click the three dots here and then copy. And then that's going to open a little web module here that allows you to add personalization text. Make sure I fix my typos here. And then you can click copy for email. Now this copy for email, you can paste it directly to Gmail. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this right here. And then that's going to give me my animated GIF and then my clickable button here. So that works really well. You also have some other options, send via email. That's going to open up your email client. You have send via SMS. That's going to open up your SMS client. And then, of course, you're going to want to put the individual's phone number on the top. You can put multiple there. You can also preview it in a browser. And then there's some other options here as well. So what you can do is you can download the still thumbnail with the link, without the link, the animated GIF, the copy URL. So there's a number of different sharing options here. If you do want to have user level reporting, you are going to want to enter someone's email address here in that very top. Now that is a premium option for subscribers. And then of course you can also save this option here. So here's the animated GIF and then here's a flat GIF. So if you ever want to save any of these assets here, you can do so. Here's another couple of options, the browser preview, copy link, download if you want to download this to your device, and then of course to edit it. So once you've done that, you'll notice now your video is directly on the Dubb mobile app, and also it will be on the Dubb dashboard. Thanks so much for listening.